Motovario USA has established its operation in 1998 as the first Motovario Assembly Centre in North America in the northern suburb of Atlanta, Georgia. Motovario USA has developed and implemented target market strategy to rapidly build sales for power transmission distributors and major original equipment manufacturers in the various industries, including packaging industry, material handling equipment, defense industry, satellite industry, and oil gas industry. On a weekly basis, we receive components for gear reducers from our plants in Italy, which are then stored in our semi-automated warehouse. With over 30,000 codes managed, we are able to ensure efficiency and speed of operation. Stocks are planned using a centralized MRP system, which allow us to maintain a constant flow of components to the assembly line, leaving nothing to chance. Our assembly lines operate on a just-in-time basis to ensure that every component is assembled and delivered accurately, meeting our customers' deadlines. Motovario USA has worked directly with our customers and offer the very unique engineering solutions in our standard offerings. Moreover, Motovario USA has been successful making the customized products of motors and gearboxes as well in the various and exciting applications. Motovario, congratulations on the 60th anniversary.